And if you like pasta, well, then I like you.
I like pasta. It's time to do another Blackstone recipe, and this time I'm recreating a delicious pasta dish. Fajita pasta. Come on, that sounds awesome. This was a recipe I saw Blackstone Betty make, and I am so excited to recreate it with a couple minor changes. The ingredients are simple, the result is creamy deliciousness, so let's get cooking. My griddle is on and an even layer of oil goes down. I'm using chicken for this recipe because Blackstone Betty said
You can really use any protein that you'd like here.
And fajita seasoning needs to go on both sides. I'm keeping my chicken on the left on medium heat and my veggies on the right on low heat because my chicken is gonna take a little bit longer to cook, but I wanted to get this all done and flavored at the same time. Once I've got a little bit of that cook going down, I'm gonna add a nice dollop of fresh pressed garlic. I love fresh garlic. And then I'm gonna bring those two sides all together before adding my fully cooked penne noodles onto that. And again, just giving it a good mix so that those flavors and that fajita seasoning starts to coat all over the noodles. Now we're getting creamy. So that whipped cream cheese goes in, and getting that mixed in is just making me so happy because it's starting to look so creamy and delicious already. Next, a little bit of cream on top of all of that. We're getting it all nice and juicy and creating a sauce. I'm using petals of Parmesan cheese, and I am not going light on that. Once that comes all together and that creamy goodness is in a bowl, I'm gonna add more cheese because life is better with cheese, and a little garnish too. The hardest part of this recipe was waiting for it to be ready to eat. It is so good. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this recreation, and I hope you try this one at home. Mwah! I will see you next time.